Gastown is the oldest commercial district in Vancouver. The name Gastown was actually from the Yorkshire steamboat captain named Jack Dayton, who arrived here in 1867. He opened up the first saloon. Because he was so chatty, he got the nickname Gassy Jack. So people started calling this area as Gastown, which is now Gastown. A Victorian architecture style can be found here, including the steam clock. The clock is one of 6 steam clocks found around the world. It is powered by steam to tell time. Every 15 minutes, this clock is whistling and blowing out steam, inviting people to come and take a look. That really meets the purpose. The steam clock marked the completion of the city's renewal project to attract more people. Store owners and donors raised $58,000 for this clock that was built by Raymond Saunders and Doug Smith. I'll break it down into 2 videos, so please make sure to hit the notification bell so you won't miss out part 2 next week. The next one will be unforgettable walk along Vancouver's seawall. Especially if you cannot come to Vancouver, you must see this. Enjoy this unforgettable walk with beautiful scenery and lovely music. Leave comments before you go, and I'll meet you at the end of this video.